All right, we got a 2024 Hyundai Sonata. Today I'm going to show you how to reset the maintenance reminder and the oil life reminder. Okay, so we're going to go straight over to the radio. And at the radio, we're going to want to scroll over and we want to hit setup. And at setup, we want to hit vehicle. And then we want to go to convenience. Right here we can see we have service interval and oil change reminder. Okay, this is going to be your oil life right here. So we're going to reset both of those today. It needs to be enabled. Okay, yours, if it's giving you the warning when you start the car, yours is enabled. You're going to just hit reset here. And that will reset the reminder. You can turn it off that way. So we're going to go back, and if you got your oil changed, this is where we're going to do the oil change right here. Okay, what we have to do is hit reset. Yes, and this will go to 100%.